In this video, we're going to log in on the Foundry website, download the software, and get it set up. Let's jump right in. First, let's log in on the Foundry website. Once you've done that, the download button next to your username will take you to a page where you can find your license keys and download the software. Now you can pick a version of Foundry to install. We always recommend the latest stable release, but we provide all of our past releases as well. Then, select your operating system from the drop-down, whether that's Windows, Mac, or Linux. If you use Windows, the Windows Portable option will let you run Foundry without installing anything. This can be particularly useful when you want to try a new release without touching your existing install. If you'll be hosting Foundry in the cloud yourself, you should pick the Node.js version. Then, press the download button to get the release that you picked. The timed URL button can be helpful when you're installing Foundry in the cloud, or if you want to share the installer with a friend in your party who is going to run a game. The link it generates is good for up to 5 minutes. Let's take a look at the installation process for Windows, the Windows Portable version, and Mac. Feel free to use the chapters below to skip to the relevant section for you. Follow these steps to install Foundry VTT on a Windows computer. Open the installer when it finishes downloading. You may see a pop-up from User Account Control asking if you're sure you want to continue. You can allow the software to install. Next, read and accept the EULA. Choose where Foundry should be installed, and press Install. Wait for the installation to complete, and then you can launch Foundry VTT. Once it's opened, change back to the Foundry website and click on your license key, and it will be copied to your clipboard. Paste the key in the prompt with Ctrl-V, and press Submit key. Read the EULA, check the I agree to these terms box, and press Agree. Next, you can choose whether you would like to share anonymized usage data with us. This would include things like which game systems you play and which one you play the most frequently. This data is not personally identifying. Then you're done. Our next video will walk you through installing a game system, creating a world, and getting things set up, but you can also follow the built-in tour to get started. The Foundry Portable build can be great for trying new releases or running Foundry without the need to install anything. Follow these steps to use it. Open the downloaded zip file. Unzip the app folder to wherever you would like to store Foundry and its user data. When it finishes unzipping, open the app folder. If you have Foundry installed and it's currently running, close it now. In the app folder, launch Foundry Virtual Tabletop. When Windows Security prompts you about whether you'd like to allow Foundry to have access to your network, press Allow. Change back to the website, click on your license key, and it will be copied to your clipboard. Paste the key into Foundry with Ctrl-V and press the Submit key. Read the EULA, check the I agree to these terms box, and press Agree. Choose whether you would like to share anonymized usage data with us. This would include things like which game systems you play and which one you play the most frequently. This data is not personally identifying. If you have a normal install of Foundry VTT, one last step you'll want to do is updating the port that your portable copy uses. Since the portable copy and the normal copy both use port 30,000, they can't be open at the same time. To change that, click on the Settings button in the top right. Change the port number to something like 30,001. And press the Save Application Configuration button. The software will prompt you that Foundry needs to be restarted, so close it to get the changes. We can now open both the normal Foundry installation and our portable copy at the same time and see that they have completely separate user data. Then you're done. Our next video will walk you through installing a game system, creating a world, and getting things set up, but you can also follow the built-in tour to get started. Follow these steps to install Foundry VTT on Intel or Apple Silicon-based Macs. Open the downloaded file. Drag the Foundry app into your Applications folder. Open Foundry VTT and press Done in the prompt that appears. Since Foundry's code isn't signed by Apple, we'll have to allow it to be run. In the top left of your screen, press the Apple icon and then open your system settings. Change to the Privacy and Security tab. Scroll to the bottom and press Open Anyway next to Foundry Virtual Tabletop. Press Open Anyway again. Enter your password or use Touch ID to confirm. You'll be prompted to allow Foundry to access your microphone and camera. If you want to use Foundry's built-in audio and video chat features, you can allow it. When Foundry launches, change back to the website to get your license key. Click on the license key on the website and it will be copied to your clipboard. Paste the key into the prompt with Command-V and press Submit key. Read the EULA, check the I agree to these terms box, and press Agree. Choose whether you would like to share anonymized usage data with us. This would include things like which game systems you play and which one you play the most frequently. This data is not personally identifying. Then you're done. Our next video will walk you through installing a game system, creating a world, and getting things set up, but you can also follow the built-in tour to get started. This video doesn't cover running Foundry VTT from the command line, terminal, or cloud hosting, but you can check out the link to our knowledge base in the description to learn more. If you'd like to run Foundry in the cloud but don't want to set it up, you can also check out our partnered hosting providers, which are linked in the description and provide a turnkey solution for your game.